SSPA, and we are representing the Idoma culture. About the traditional ceremonies of the Chimah, their traditional wedding ceremonies is the most colorful and vibrant celebration that portrays their rich cultural heritage. The bride, known as Ada, group known as Sochanya, mothers known as Aje, mothers known as Tiwoshi, and members. The celebration starts with the family presenting the gift to the bride family. The groom is come to give his bride prize to the plate. And the bride is come to take some amount of money to the plate and give to her father. The father gives the remaining money in the plate to the groom to take care of his daughter. The groom and the bride go from the elderly of the groom and the bride take their vow. This is a sacred moment for both the groom and the bride and commitment. That's it now, feast will begin. From that again. When our dancing begins, everybody celebrates. May the joy and love of Allah and Oshaya inspire us as we celebrate the Idoma culture.
That's wonderful. SS3B, that's the last class. That's the last class. I'm back this time to Chimah.